So once I've uploaded the video to YouTube, then I download it again. And when I go into my downloads, as you can see, I've got many files. You'll see the files here, and they will turn into MP4s. YouTube does it for you automatically. So again, you can see I have unpublished lectures, which are going to be actual videos of cooking. And this one was an edited version of my exercise journey. There's no downloadable, though I might create one, who knows. But this is just my exercise journey so people can see where I started, where I've gone to. So the downloadable may actually be, when you click on add resources, it can be a PDF, it could be a document. I think it always has to be a PDF, sorry. But it has to be a document that educates. Now, the other thing you can add is add a quiz. So you create the quiz, you give the quiz a name, and then you decide. This is just adding the quiz. So let's just call it exercise tips. Okay. So, what are the rules of resting in between reps? So let's say I put that question, add that quiz. Again, it's taking its own time. Now you can have a question, or you can have true and false, you can have fill in, you have all different types. I'll cancel that because I'm not adding that. So there you go, and this is going to be the end. This is the bottom. So in order to create a lecture now, click on add lecture, write the name of the lecture, how to swim the butterfly, yeah? And let's say that's your lecture, that's the title of your lecture. What you then need to do is to move this lecture up. I'll cancel that. And let's say this was the one we created. Move the lecture up to, hold down the button on your mouse and move the lecture up to the section where you want it to be. Or if you want it to come before or after another lecture. So let's say I wanted it after rice and peas. After sneak peek or before sneak peek of next course. So let's say I had food safe practices there. So then I've just changed the order, but everything is still intact. Yeah. So let me just bring it back down here because it's going to be here. Okay. So there's a quick tour of the Udemy. As you can see, it's 93%, but don't worry, it will get there. It will get there. Of the Udemy platform, so that you know how to upload your files. So when it's now uploaded, I will submit for review. When you submit it for review, it needs to be in a ready format. Everything must be done, but you can do a test. So you can do a test video so they can tell you whether or not your video is the right quality. I tried to upload some videos and it just did not work because I took these videos with my normal Canon camera, with a green screen, or white screen should I say, in a normal home, and for some reason the resolution etc. just wasn't working out. So I used my MacBook, as you can see, and when I used my MacBook I used the camera recorder. And what the camera recorder was able to do is take the right quality. I hope this is useful. Take care and make sure you do what's right to ensure that your students are learning at all times. You are not promoting yourself. You can use the Udemy platform in order for people to contact you. And this is what you do in your conclusion. So I had a frequently asked questions. So in your conclusion, that's where you can issue an invitation for people to use the Udemy platform. Okay? Sum up everything, then give them an invitation to access you via the Udemy discussion board to ask you any questions. Take care. Peace out. This is Janice Weir-Germia, your e-learning designer developer. I look forward to serving you. Goodbye.